Hello friends, how you doing? Pretty good? Great! Guess where I am right now? I'm here! The Kuala Lumpur City Center Hotel is a nice location, very near to the shopping mall. This shopping mall is the best attraction at bu- buzzing business and entertainment district of Kuala Lumpur. Best attractions and restaurant and shopping. The holiday shopping season is coming. The Christmas shopping season. I think that they are prominent. For quick and collect may encourage the shoppers to wait for last minute deals and convenience. The economics of Christmas is significant because Christmas is typically a peak selling season for retailers in many nations around the world. Sales increase dramatically as people purchase gifts, decorations, and supplies to celebrate it. I suppose this mask is a good mask for instance brightening and radiance. After applying the face becomes smooth.
Okay, this seed face sheet mask extracted naturally the apricot 100%. So that this seed smells like fruity.
The Malaysia, Penang. Penang is specifically always grabs a top spot when it comes to ranking of best place to live and retire in Asia. With the cheap living cost, cultural heritage, climate, temperature, and food, I think we can both agree that it's well deserved. I think from the view of the sky, the beach is very awesome. Distance from Kuala Lumpur to Penang is 293 kilometers. This air travel distance is equal to 182 miles. The air travel shortest distance between Kuala Lumpur and Penang is 293 kilometers. The Penangs is some members of Indian and Malay communities. The Penang is famous of soft, sandy beaches, and the food is the capital of Malaysia. Penang is there Chinatown. That they have the street. The vendors are selling all kind of Chinese food and delicacies. The Penang Hotel has a great location near shops, street art, and fabulous food. The hotel is looks like renovated and authentic, like Chinese taste. The hotel, Penang Hotel, the architecture was very good. The detail of the design, interior, very thoughtful as well. The room is very big and it looks like queens. I'm very happy with the bathtub. It's a nice jacuzzi and bed is comfortable. I will contact you as soon as I arrive at airport. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.